Hello and welcome one more time to the Ask Muse classroom. It's Moss here. I'm a producer, DJ, bass player and ukulele teacher, and I'm here to guide you through this amazing instrument that ukulele is. On today's lesson, we'll be focusing on the second half of something, okay? This might be a little bit more complicated, this might have a little bit more chords, but this will be such a good practice, such a good thing to learn, because then nearly every song will look easier after this one. And let me tell you just right away that our final lesson will be about playing and singing, okay? So this will be super helpful something, because we will be using this as an example, okay? So enough of the talking and let's jump right away with the ukulele. So to make a little recall, we learn until our G chord here. Let's do a quick review of what we learned. Yeah. Okay, so what will come next will be everything a little bit shorter, okay? The pattern will be really like the same thing we do, but at the half of it. So, it'll be like down, down, up, down, and then repeat. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Okay, and the chords we will be playing are A minor max 7th, that is just 4th string, fret 1, and then A minor 7th, that is basically all the strings open, and that will be like this: down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, one more time. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. And now to finish that part, we'll add 2 D7s again. Okay, so it'll be like this: down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, so let's go from the beginning now and add that after the final G. Okay, so it'll be like this. Okay, so we're super close to start repeating the whole thing one more time. We need to learn 3 more chords. 2 of those you already know it, and are the F and the G, but the one that it's in the middle of those, it's a little bit more complicated, and it's called E flat major. So after we played our 2 Ds, we play 2 Fs, okay? Here will come our complicated chord, the E flat major, and it'll be 1st string for fret, 3rd fret 2nd string, and 3rd fret 3rd string. It'll sound like this. The position that you should play this is kind of similar to the G. You see that my hand is still on this diagonal position, right? And I barely changed the position of my hands. The fingers are the ones that are changing, not the hand, okay? Like, it's not that I'm playing this and then this. Here the position of the hand changes, right? Because here my knuckles are pointing upwards, and here on a diagonal across my shoulder, right? So this might be a little bit more complicated to play. And the good thing is that one of the fingers that you will have to use for the G chord, you already have it there. That is the ring finger. So then you will move this middle finger to here, and this that was on the first string to here. This is a super cool exercise to practice. To have E flat and then change to a G chord, without lifting this finger. It's not easy at the beginning, but I know that you will be able to do it. So take your time to play it, okay? And after we finish these two chords, we start over again. So that ending will be F, F, E flat, G, and start again. Okay. The following part of the song will be the B part that will have a few more chords, not that complicated at all, but with this you will have a super strong base of chords that you will already know, and they're the most common ones, so they will appear a lot of songs that you will probably want to learn. So our following part starts with an A major chord. Do you remember that we learned this on the lesson we learned about minor and then the change to major chords? This one will be like an A minor, but adding our index on the first fret of our third string. And the pattern will be like we played on A minor. So, down, down, up, down, down. And then are we going to change to our A major 7th chord. That'll be kind of the same, but with the finger one fret behind. I know, if it's one fret behind, why did you change your fingers like that? Because to be honest, this feels uncomfortable for me. You can do it if it sounds good, and if not, you can change the position of those, It'll be the last two strings, 3 and 4, on the first fret. Sorry. Then you will go kind of an A major chord, but adding your ring finger on the second of the second string, and it'll sound like this. Still, you're doing the same pattern. Okay. Then we'll go to the A major chord again. So let me play that in order to understand that. Okay, so here we go. Okay, let's play that one more time. Then we're jumping to a D chord with the same pattern, and then to a G chord. Okay, that'll be like this. And then we just play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 A majors. The whole thing then will be like this. that twice and then jump back to the C. Okay, so again, it'll be like this. Okay, so that was a big one, right? There was a lot of chords there, a lot of combination, but no one's rushing you, so you can play it as many times, you can watch it as many times as you need. Let's jump to our final video that'll be singing and playing, okay?